The Gay Igbo man who is doing everything wonderful. I was invited last night to the launch of the Spinningfields Pride Trail here in Manchester. It is a 22-piece timeline of Manchester's LGBTQIA+ history from 1941 to the present day, right in the heart of this city, in Spinningfields Square. Walking through it as a gay Igbo man from Nigeria, someone who comes from a country where I could be imprisoned for who I am, standing in a city that puts its square history on the streets for everyone to see. That feeling is extremely hard to put into words. The trail runs until the 1st of September at the Spinningfields Square. Go, run, do not walk. Go there and walk it. Look at it, look at the history, see what has happened over time to see that queer people are powerful. This history belongs to all of us. Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you so much to Manon, to Foam Property, to Spinningfields. I had a nice time. Manchester, you never ever disappoint. We had a really nice time. Favor, did you have a good time?
It was amazing. Lovely.
It was nice. We had a really good time. It's getting darker. We want to go to Enish to have something to eat. Favor wants Nigerian food, right?
Oh yes, I'm craving.
So we're going to go to Enish now to go and eat something. Come, let's go. Let's go to Enish. Walk. Yes.